Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear guys, we often use influence in correct English, and here in this video there are some corrections are given in nouns, and we should take care when we are speaking in fluency to speak correct English. Correction in English sentences, Brahmia Spoken English course. We use incorrect or in the next column there is a correct sentence. The news are not true. The news, we consider that it is plural, but it is a single. The news is not true. The news is not true. Your hairs are grey. Your hairs are grey. Here is your hair is grey, not hairs, hair. Your hair is grey. Politics are his chief interest. Politics is his chief interest. Politics is not a plural, it is a single. So we must consider here the nouns and note errors properly. His sheep are in the field. His sheep are in the field. His sheep. There is no need of s with this word to make it plural. His sheep are in the field. There are lot of fishes in this river. There are lot of fish in this river. So there is no need of s or es to make it plural, fish. There are lot of fish in this river. The sceneries of Murray are wonderful. The scenery of Murray is wonderful, not sceneries. Scenery as a whole is a one scenery. The scenery of Murray is wonderful. She bought some stationeries. She bought some stationery. Stationery is a stationery, not stationaries. She bought some stationery. I take pain over my work. I take pain over my work, but the correct sentence says I take pains over my work. I take pains. I take pains over my work. He gave me a 10 rupee note. He gave me a 10 rupee note. There is no need of s include with rupee. He gave me a 10 rupee note. He issued order to release him. He issued order to release him, to release from jail or from a house arrest. He issued order. He issued order to release him. He issued order. Orders. Orders. Here must be s. Orders. We should use word orders. 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 He lost his trouser. He lost his trousers. Trousers. Trousers is considered singular word, not a trouser. Trousers. We use s with this. We have read many poetries. We have read many poems, not poetries. Awful people often use poetries, but poetry is incorrect. Poems. We have read many poems, not poetries. I have written a poetry, some people say. It is incorrect. He has given up his study. He has given up his study. He has given up his studies. Studies. Study. How is your study going? How is your studies going? This room has no furnitures. Furnitures incorrect. This room has no furniture. This room has no furniture. 10 miles are a long distance. 10 miles is a long distance. 10 miles is a long distance. 10 miles is 10 mile, two word make a singular noun. 10 miles is a long distance. He gave me many advices. He gave me many advices. He gave me many pieces of advice. Pieces, correct. We should use correct. Correct noun here, pieces of advice. We have many works to do. We have many works to do, incorrect. We have many pieces of work to do. We have many works, no, it is not correct. We have many pieces of work to do. He has an urgent business at home. He has an urgent business at home. He has an urgent piece of business at home. Peace, peace. Here we studied here three sentences. We are using pieces or piece. The chair leg is broken. Incorrect. The chair's leg is broken. The leg of chair is broken. Correct sentence we should use in this way. The book of George is lost. George's book is lost. Here we should use apostrophe s. Not we should use the book of George is lost. The leg of chair is broken. Just in the above row sentence. The UN have done nothing for the people of Kashmir. The UN has done nothing for the people of Kashmir. UN is only a single institute, United Nations. It is not a plural. We should use it singular. Thank you very much. Take care and remember me also in your prayers.